This is a very simple editing tutorial for Blender 2.70a. If you've got an earlier version of Blender, you might want to download this version and install it so that you can follow along. I can't guarantee that all the controls will be in the same position otherwise. Yeah, so click on the splash screen. Now from here you can use the middle mouse button to move your view around, and then you can use tab to toggle edit and object mode. If you look at my mouse down here, it says edit mode, and if you press tab you can see it changes to object mode. So you can toggle the two modes and just make sure that you're in edit mode. Then press A to unselect everything. You can press A multiple times and you're either selecting all or selecting none. I used it just to select none. So rotate the camera around until you've got it in a position like this. There's three selections. There's vertex and edge and face. If you have a look at where my mouse is, it's down here. And so yeah, you can either select vertexes, edges or faces. So I'm going to be demonstrating all three. So if we select vertex and right click on the mouse, you can see that we are able to snap onto any vertex, and then you can hold down shift and you can select multiple vertexes, and sometimes you want to do that. It just depends upon what you want to do. And let's just say that we want to edit that vertex there. We use these three controls. So this will, if you use the left mouse button on the control, you can move the vertex in the Y axis, in the X axis, maybe that's a bit better, X axis, and then you've got the Z axis. And then from there we can move on to the edge. So we've got edge select, and we can select any edge just by right clicking, and once we've selected one we want to use, we can use all three controls again. So this is in the Y, this is in the Z, and this is in the X. So you can move the edge anywhere you want it. And then for faces, you just click face select, and you can click any, you can select any face just by right clicking. And then if you want to move it, you just edit it, you just use the controls that you want. So this is on the X axis, this is on the Z, and there's also on the Y. So if you wanted to make like some ground or a plane, you could just do something like move that right out, and then click on this face and move this face right out, and maybe move this one down. So from there you've got a platform that you want to start building on, or you might be making a roof. So you click on this one and you'd make a sloping roof. So yeah, just gives you an idea of how to use vertex, edit vertexes, edit edges, and edit faces. And then at any time you can just go File, New, Reload Startup File, and it'll bring you back to where you were. Thanks for watching.